Don't move her. Be quiet so I can hear it. Be quiet so I can hear it. Jessa. But there's race now. Stop.
Mama!
Snotty bear.
Mama!
Shh. Hold on just a minute.
Oh, you got snot on it.
Give me a tissue.
Okay.
You're silly. Don't bite me, Jessa.